Yo, what up people, this is the NSK. Welcome to yet another video. In this video we're going to be doing more on displaying to the console for further clarity. So first things first, we're going to open Visual Studio and we're going to create a new project. I'm going to call this project displaying like so, and we have our project. So now let's try and work more with variables, displaying them, adding, subtracting, whatsoever. So what's the scenario in this case? Let's say we want to have a user get their age, get the amount of money they have in their bank, and we want to display it to the console maybe after doing a withdrawal of around 500 or something like that. So first things first, let's declare our variables. One thing you should know, these things here, these double forward slashes, they're called comments. After writing them down, you can type anything you want over there and it's not going to read it as code. It's just going to be, it's a comment only to be read by humans, not by the machine. So when I type here variables, it's not going to read this and it's not going to give you errors. It's just going to ignore this line. This whole line is just going to be ignored. So variables, yes, store the name of the person. We want to store the name of the person, which is supposed to be BNSK. And then we want to store my age, which is an int. Don't forget, age is equals to, this time I'm 35. Another one is double. We want to store a double within this. So the double is going to be the balance, the bank balance specifically. When declaring variables, it's smart to use camel casing. That's when the first letter of the name is small, and then when you get to the other word, you use a capital letter. So that's camel casing, yes. Double bank balance. Let's say in my bank account I got 1,500, like that. So now what we want to do is we want to display a message saying the user, the name, age, withdrew 500 bucks. We want to subtract 500 from the bank balance and show the remaining balance. So let's do that. We're just gonna display to the console. The first part is easy. Just console dot write line. Then we're gonna start typing it out. So we're gonna type it out. Yeah, we're gonna type it out. This time around, we're gonna use some concatenation. We're gonna add the strings, add the numbers together so that it makes one line when displayed to the console. So first things first is user. We want my name over here, which is inside the variable. That's when we use the plus sign, name, plus. It's gonna say user, the NSK has withdrawn. I don't know, how is that spelled? Withdrawn. R 500. Let's just say 500 bucks. Has withdrawn 500 bucks. The remaining balance is currency. What currency should I use? Let me use the dollar. Plus it. Now we're going to use brackets because we want to do a nice little calculation in here. We want the bank balance, subtract 500 so that it displays the new bank balance, which should be 100 bucks. I don't know why I got the age. Shouldn't have gotten the age. The user DNSK of age 35. It's not necessary. Let's remove that. This is going to display the line, and then lastly we're just going to wait for the read key so that it doesn't close right after executing read key. like so, and we're gonna type it out. We're gonna run it. It says user DNSK has withdrawn 500 bucks. The remaining balance is 1,000. It has subtracted. That is how we add strings together. That's how we manipulate strings. That's how it's called concatenation. It's called concatenation. I'm gonna end it here for today, and in the next video we're gonna be doing some if statements. Now we're gonna have some conditions. So be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, because there's many more coming away.